Select your favorite character. Cowie! Welcome to the big race. Answer the questions correctly to win.
3, 2, 1, go!
Which is the correct answer? 4. Good job! Ooh, the race is very close. Which is the correct answer? 2. Good job! You're in first place. Choose the correct number of dots. 5. Amazing! Which is the correct answer? 6. Good job! Which is the correct answer? 1. Well done! Choose the correct number of dots. 2. Well done! Choose the correct number of dots. 1. Amazing! And the winner is Cowie! What a race! Congratulations to all the participants! See you soon!